Welcome sa zip9.com. This video, tutuloy natin yung ating series about polynomial functions. Kung napanood niyo yung previous video, ito pa yung ating ginawa, no? Yung nag-divide tayo in-evaluate natin yung f of 2 ng f of x equals 3x cubed minus 5x plus 10. In-evaluate natin yung f of 2, meaning we substituted 2 to all the x's in the equation, no? And we got 24. Tapos, nung nag-divide tayo, dinivide natin yung tong expression na to by x minus 2. No? Ang x minus 2 na ito ay nakuha natin galing sa x equals 2. Diba? So, dito ang value ng x natin is 2 para ma-evaluate natin yung f of 2. Diba? Tapos, x equals 2. Nag-subtract tayo ng minus 2 from both sides. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. And then, x minus 2 becomes x minus 2. So, dinivide natin itong expression na to by this expression. This is a polynomial expression. And we got this quotient, no? And the remainder of 24. Now, ang tanong, yung 24 dito ay may kinalaman ba sa 24 dito? Yes, meron niyang kinalaman, no? So, yung remainder of the expression, the remainder of the division of this expression by this expression is actually equal to f of 2. No? So, linawin natin yan. No? Ulitin natin. Ang tawag pala natin dyan ay remainder theorem. Okay? So, the remainder, bibigyan natin pa ng example kung medyo nalalabuan kayo. No? So, ang tawag natin dyan ay remainder theorem. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, if ang remainder theorem, ang sabi niya, if a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus c, no? Yung x minus c natin, ito yung x minus 2 kanina. Then, the remainder is f of c. Okay? So, nakikita niyo yung connection. Maganda panoorin niyo yung previous video kung hindi niyo pa napanood, no? Maganda is panoorin niyo yung video para makita niyo yung connection. Ang sabi natin dito, if a polynomial f of x, any polynomial is divided by x minus c, where c is a constant, then c is a number, no? Then the remainder is f of c. No? Kung intindihin natin to, no? Pwede nating sabihin that if a polynomial no? Ano yung f of x natin dito? This is 3x cubed, no? 3x cubed minus 5x plus 10, no? Is divided by ano yun? X minus c, x minus 2. Then the remainder is f of 2. No? So, magbibigay pa tayo ng isang example dito. Isa pang specific example. For example, find the remainder of f of x sorry. Uh, 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 5, no? Divided by when divided by x plus one, no? Okay? Okay, so kung gagamitin natin tong theorem na to, no? Kung gagamitin natin tong theorem na to, sabi niya, find the, if a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is f of c. So ano yung polynomial natin dito, f of x, no? Ano ba yung f of c? So our polynomial f of x, pwede nating sabihin f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 5. No? So, ano ba yung c? Ano yung value ng c? Diba? So, x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x equals negative 1. Diba? We want to find the value of c. We equate to 0 and then find the value of x. Yung value ng x mo dito, yun yung magiging value ng c mo. So, f of negative 1. So, f of negative 1 is equal to 2 times negative 1 cubed minus 4 times negative 1 squared minus 5 times negative 1 plus 5. Okay? So, 2 times negative 1 cubed minus 4 times negative 1 squared minus 5 times negative 1 plus 5. So, this is equal to 2 times negative 1 cubed is negative 2. And then magiging minus 4. 4 times negative 1 squared is 1. 1 ito, diba? So, wala namang magbabago dito sa 4. And then, magiging plus ito kasi minus 5 times negative 1, magiging plus 5. No? Minus and minus. And then, we have plus 5. So, this becomes negative 6 plus ano yun? Plus 10, no? Which is equal to 4. So, f of negative 1 is equal to 4. Ibig sabihin, no? Anong conclusion natin dito? If we divide, no? Pwede nating palitan to, no? If we divide, ano yung f of x natin? Our f of x, pwede nating palitan na, what is our f of x? 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 5. If a polynomial 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 5 is divided by x minus c. Dito tayo galing, di ba? Yung x minus c natin is x plus 1. It's x plus 1. Then the remainder is, what is f of? The remainder is f of negative 1. Which is, ito yung value ng x natin kanina, ito yung c natin, di ba? So, ang f of negative 1 natin ay 4, which is equal to 4. So, if a polynomial 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 5 is divided by x plus 1, then the remainder is 4. Okay? So, pwede natin yan using long division, no? Pero mabilis lang dito. Bibilisan ko na lang kasi medyo mahaba yung oras. But we can check by using long division, no? So, we can divide and see if the remainder is really 4 to double check. So, 2x cubed, no? 2x cubed divided by 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 5 divided by x plus 1, yung x minus c natin. No? Kasi yung c natin negative 1. So, divided by x plus 1. So, So 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. Distribute 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. And then 2x times 1. This is plus, so this is plus. 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared. Okay, so we have to subtract. Sabi natin, pag nag-subtract tayo ng polynomial, we have to just change the addition to change the subtraction to addition, and then change the signs. No? Pag negative, positive, pag negative, positive, pag plus, minus. No? Basta opposite palagi. So magiging negative na to. And then we plus or we add. So this becomes 0, negative 2x cubed plus negative 2x cubed, 0. This is negative 4x squared plus negative 2x squared, pareho negative, so this is negative 6x squared. And then we bring down, minus 5x. And then we divide again, minus 6x squared divided by x. Minus 6x squared divided by x, mawawala yung isang x. Ay matitirang isang x, so minus 6x. And then minus 6x times x is minus 6x squared. Then minus, magiging plus kasi dito, and then minus 6x plus times 1, no? Magiging minus 6x. So plus negative is actually negative or minus. Actually, we can just ignore the signs. No? We have negative 6 times positive 1. This is negative 6 here. We make the, not ignore the signs, but we make the operation the signs. So strategy lang yan, no? Dapat naintindihan nyo para mas mabilis. No? Hindi na tayo pwedeng mag-tackle kasi masyado nang haba yung video. Paano ang ginagawa natin? We are trying to verify that the remainder is 4. No? Yun ang ginagawa natin. So we have to divide. So again, magiging plus. Pag ima-minus natin to, so magiging plus negative. Magbabago yung sign, magbabago yung sign. Okay. So this becomes 0. Negative 6x squared plus 6x squared. And then negative 5x plus positive 6x. This becomes ilan yan, x plus 5. We bring down 5. No? And then x divided by x is 1. This is positive 1. This is x plus 1. And then we subtract, but we want to change subtraction to addition. Tapos babaguhin natin yung sign dito, magiging negative. So magiging 0 na yan. X plus negative x is 0. 5 plus negative 1 is 4. No? So we have verified, no? We have verified that the remainder is indeed 4. No? So ibig sabihin tama yung theorem na ito. Actually, theorem na yan. So we are sure that it's correct. Ibig sabihin kasi ng theorem na prove na siya. That's true for all cases. Okay, so ang hirap-hirap mag-add, ang hirap-hirap mag-divide ng polynomial, no? So in the next video, in the next 2 or 3 videos, siguro tuturuan ko kayo. Meron mong strategy para madaling mag-divide ng polynomial. So maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.